Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to remind you of a truth that often gets buried beneath doubts, failures, and hardships. You have the power to rebuild yourself, no matter where you are in life, no matter how many times you've fallen, and no matter how broken you may feel. Your story is not over. Life has a way of testing us. It throws setbacks, heartbreaks, disappointments, and failures in our path. It shakes the foundation of everything we believe in. But let me tell you something, your struggles are not your identity. They are simply a chapter in your book, not the whole story. Think about the strongest people you know. Do you think they never faced hardship? Do you think they never doubted themselves? Of course they did. But what separates them from the rest is their ability to rise, the willingness to pick up the pieces and rebuild stronger than before. Acceptance, the first step to rebuilding. The first step to rebuilding yourself is to accept where you are. Stop running from your pain. Stop denying your reality. If you are lost, admit it. If you are broken, acknowledge it. Because only when you face the truth can you begin to change it. Don't let shame, guilt, or fear keep you stuck. Life is not about avoiding hardship, it's about growing through it. Pain is not here to destroy you. It's here to shape you, but only if you allow it. Let go of the past. Many of us hold on to our past like a heavy backpack filled with regrets, failures, and betrayals. We replay our mistakes, dwell on what we lost, and wish we had done things differently. But let me ask you, how does that help you move forward? If you keep looking at the door that has closed, you will never see the new doors opening before you. Let go of what you cannot change and focus on what you can. Forgive yourself, forgive others, not for their sake, but for your own peace. Once you've accepted your reality and let go of the past, it's time to rebuild with purpose. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? What kind of life do I want to live? What changes do I need to make? Rebuilding isn't just about repairing what was lost. It's about creating something new. It's about becoming the person you were always meant to be, and that requires action. Rebuilding yourself is not easy. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when progress seems invisible. But remember this, strength is built in the struggle. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger. Stop doubting yourself. Stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I will. Train your mind to see opportunities instead of obstacles, to see lessons instead of failures, to see possibilities instead of limitations. The people you surround yourself with can either build you up or tear you down. Choose wisely. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who challenge you, who inspire you to become better. Stay away from negativity, from those who drain your energy and make you doubt yourself. Feed your mind with positivity. Read books, listen to motivational speeches, practice gratitude, protect your peace, because your mindset determines your future. Rebuilding yourself doesn't happen overnight. It happens one step at a time, one decision at a time. Start today. If you want to improve your health, take a small step. Exercise for 10 minutes. If you want to change your career, start learning a new skill. If you want to rebuild your confidence, speak kindly to yourself. Small actions, repeated consistently, create massive change. Rebuilding yourself is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. As long as you are breathing, you have the power to grow, to change, and to create a better version of yourself. Every challenge is an opportunity. Every failure is a lesson. Every new day is a fresh start. You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are becoming. No matter how many times life knocks you down, you can rise again. No matter how broken you feel, you can rebuild. No matter how lost you are, you can find your way. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you believe. And your best days are still ahead of you. So stand tall, take a deep breath, and start rebuilding. Your future is waiting. Rise up and rebuild. Life will knock you down. People will doubt you. You may fail. You may struggle. But you are not done. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every scar is proof that you survived. Stand up. Dust yourself off. Keep moving. You are stronger than your past, greater than your fears, and more powerful than your obstacles. Don't wait for the perfect moment to create it. Keep rising, keep fighting, and keep rebuilding. Your story isn't over. This is just the beginning. Rise up and keep going. Life will challenge you. It will push you down, test your strength, and make you question yourself. But hear me now, you are not meant to stay down. Every great success story begins with struggle. Every champion has faced defeat. The difference? They got back up. So stand tall, wipe away the doubt, move forward with courage. You are stronger than your past, greater than your failures, and destined for more. This is your moment. Rise up, rebuild, and keep going.